with knowledge sharing since 5 days. It's not been possible with one person. There is a huge team behind making this program as a grand success. To say thank, it takes only 5 minutes for me, but definitely we should remember the teamwork behind making this program as a grand success, including teamwork of all the coordinators and especially the participants who are engaging your time with huge patience. Anyhow, we come to the end of the program. Now it's time for sharing our thoughts and views regarding faculty development program. Now, first I would like to request the coordinator, Professor and HOD of IT Department, Dr. C.H. Kavita, for her closing remarks. Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Well, yeah. Respected officials from Atal Academy, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, and Girdalal, Assistant Director from Atal Academy. So, all the participants of this program and the coordinators and the staff members who are supporting me indirectly, directly, a very good afternoon to one and all. So it's my privilege to be the coordinator of this Atal FDP on data sciences, which was sponsored by AICT Atal Academy. And this was scheduled from 19th to 23rd. This is the last session of our FDP. So all the sessions that are planned from 19th to 23rd are quite knowledgeable to all the participants, and all the resource persons have given their consent when I made a request to them. So I thank all the resource persons who have given their consent to deliver the lectures in this FDP. Yeah, in spite of their busy schedule, they could able to share their valuable time. And all our management members, principal and vice principals who have supported in organizing this event. I owe my thanks to them from my bottom of the heart. And our staff members who struggled a lot in making this FDP a grand successful one. CH Venkateswar Rao, LL Pranita ma'am, PN Stravanti ma'am, and Satyanarayan Garu, Viswanath Garu, and all other department faculty members and the staff members supported me in conducting this FDP. I convey my sincere thanks to all of you, and I sincerely convey my thanks to all the participants who have patiently sparing their time on getting the contents from the resource persons, and all these sessions we could able to have full strength from the participants. And as you are all cooperating me, I could able to complete this FDP of 5 day length. Right. So last but not least, I thank all the members who have involved, and directly and indirectly the print and media who published the event in their papers. So I convey my thanks and regards, and uh, I close this remarks by now. So I request all the participants, those who have taken part in the 14 sessions of the FDP, to transfer this knowledge to all your students and make use of this knowledge in completing your research works. If you have not completed the PhD, and if you have already completed the PhD, I hope you can do your good publications and the patent work. So wish you all the best to the participants. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Even we have to say thank you to you because for taking all the dignitaries to us for introducing all the research work. Thank you, ma'am. Now,
Thank
okay, ma'am.
Sravanti ma'am, I would like to convey a few important things to the
Okay.
participants. May I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I request all the participants to please fill up feedback form that is made available in the Atal portal where you have registered. Right? Atal portal was the place where you got registered to the FDP. So we will be submitting the attendance and the marks details of you into the Atal portal by Monday or positively by Tuesday. So please wait for 2 days. After that, your feedback form will be readily available. You please take up filling the feedback form in the Atal portal. Without doing that, you are not able to get the digital certificate from Atal Academy. So I request all the participants to please take up filling feedback form available in the Atal Academy portal. Thank you. Thank you. And one more thing I'd like to tell you is your quiz link will be made available through the WhatsApp group. So please take up the test from 4:30 onwards. And the link closes by 5 p.m. If you have any queries regarding the test, you can contact us after the end of this valedictory. Thank you. Savanthi ma'am, you please proceed.
Okay, ma'am. I would like to thank all the participants for sharing your feedbacks. We got huge appreciations from all the participants. With this motivation and support, definitely our department in future will going to organize this type of events under the guidance of Dr. C.H. Kavita ma'am. Definitely, we will do this. And second thing is, we will make all the materials available in WhatsApp group by Monday itself. Don't worry. We are going to provide all the 14 sessions PPTs in WhatsApp group by Monday. Now it's time for proposing vote of thanks. Now I'd like to request Miss LL Pranita ma'am to propose vote of thanks. Pranita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. A very good afternoon to one and all. William Adler once said, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. On behalf of Gudlavalleru Engineering College, I take this privilege to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to the grand success of this workshop. At the outset, I thank all the resource persons. Dr. V. Sunil Kumar, Director Data Science Ericsson Bangalore, for sharing his knowledge on data science and applications. Thank you, sir. And Dr. P. Emmanuel Subakar, Associate Professor and HOD CSC, MNIT, Jaipur, Rajasthan, for giving a brief view on big data architecture and technologies for handling the big data. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. G. Jayasuma, Professor and HOD CSC Department, JNTU, Vijayanagaram, for explaining the machine learning algorithms in a very nice manner. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. T. Ramakrishnulu, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, NIT Warangal. Thank you very much, sir, for giving an overview on exploratory data analysis and predictive data analytics. Mr. Sam Ogiri, Director, Check India, Vishakhapatnam. He has explained the deep learning techniques in a practical manner. Thank you very much, sir. Professor KVSG Murali Krishna, Principal, University College of Engineering, JNTUK, Narsaraopeta. He has explained very nicely how to manage the stress. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. K. Shahu Chhatrapati, Professor and HOD, JNTUH College of Engineering, Mantani. Thank you very much, sir, for giving an overview on business analytics. And once again, I thank all these resource persons for sharing their precious time and knowledge with us. I thank our beloved HOD, Dr. C.H. Kavita ma'am, for coordinating the workshop. I extend my sincere thanks to Vice Principal Administration, Vice Principal Academics, and Principal for their kind support. A special thanks to the management for providing us the required resources to conduct this type of events. And I gratefully thank to the technical and organizing team members, Shravanti Madam, Venkateshwara Sir, Rajalakshmi Madam, and Satyanarayan Sir. Our heartfelt thanks to all the participants, without whom the event may not be successful. Thank you very much for your active participation. With this, we move to the end of our 5-day online FDP on data sciences. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Pranita. Before I end, I'd like to announce a few points regarding examination. The link will be posted to you in WhatsApp by 5 p.m. So all of you please submit the link. And you have any problem in future till you get the certificate, please be in touch with through WhatsApp or our faculty members. We will help you till you get the certificate. With these few words, thank you one and all. Thank you so much. And thank you once again for your active participation. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting now?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hello, madam. Regarding the examination, why can't you give the link now so that we can finish?